Hello and welcome, travel enthusiasts. Today we're tackling a topic that's essential for anyone planning a visit to the UK. In 2023, almost 37 million visitors travel to the UK, and I will be guiding you through the UK visa application process and pointing out 3 tips for a successful visa application and 3 common pitfalls to avoid and ensure that your journey is as smooth as possible. Whether you're exploring the rich history, catching up with friends and family, or embarking on a business trip, the UK visit visa is your gateway. But before we get into the application process, let's talk about some key considerations. First and foremost, clearly identify the purpose of your visit, whether it's for tourism, business meetings, or visiting loved ones. Knowing your reason is crucial for selecting the right visa category. Now, let's discuss the eligibility criteria. You'll need to prove that you are a genuine visitor with intentions to leave the UK at the end of your authorized stay, have a stable financial situation, and strong ties to your home country. Once you've gathered the evidence, you can then commence the application process. Start out by filling the online application form, pay the visa fee, and book a biometric appointment. Double-check your application before submission to avoid any errors. Here are our top 3 tips for a successful visa application. Apply well in advance. Provide clear and honest information, and seek professional advice if needed. Planning and attention to detail are your best allies in this process. Now, let's look at some common pitfalls when you're applying for the UK visit visa. The most common pitfall is overstaying. It's crucial to stick to the dates specified in your visa. Overstaying can lead to serious consequences, including future visa rejections, difficulties on re-entering the UK, and even country bans. Insufficient documentation is another pitfall. Make sure you have all the necessary documents, including the proof of funds, travel itinerary, and accommodation details. The third important pitfall that most people need to avoid is providing incomplete or inaccurate information. Not only can this lead to delays or rejections, but in certain situations, it could even result in a country ban for up to 10 years. Applying a UK visit visa can be straightforward if you're well prepared. Avoid the common pitfalls, submit a thorough application, and embark on your UK adventure with confidence. If you have questions or want to share your experiences on UK visit visas, drop us a comment below. That's a wrap on today's guide to applying for a UK visit visa. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel tips, and hit the notification bell icon. Safe travels, and until next time, happy exploring.